Hey girl, what do you think of my new look? Yes, I'm kind of feeling myself right now because this is a color I never wear. So this unit is a 100% glueless wig, which makes it even more perfect. So yeah, definitely keep on watching if you want to know all the details. So before we hop into the video and before I show you how I apply this unit, I want to quickly tell you that this hair was sent to me by Yolissa hair, and I have tried out Yolissa hair in the past, like a while ago, I believe like a few years back, and I was very satisfied. So yeah, I can only recommend this brand to anyone that's looking for like a quick style. They have ready to go units, they have affordable options, they have literally every color, every texture possible. So there's a little bit for everyone, and this is perfect for if you're balling on a budget. This is the website for you, okay? Especially with Black Friday coming up, Christmas season, New Year's, all of these sales are going on, so you better go ahead and click the link in my description box, okay? So here's the box, and what I love about these wig companies, they always fill up the box with a ton of goodies, such as lashes, wig caps, always come in handy, an extra elastic band, an edge brush, need this, okay, and of course the silk bag to store your wig in, okay? And this is the hair. This is the thing that excites me the most because look at the perfection. Excuse me, look at this. These curls, the glamorous look, it's just giving a whole new vibe. It's giving blonde bombshell, but on a whole different level. It is super cute, glamorous, love it. Perfect for the festive season, the Christmas, the New Year parties and stuff. Okay, you're definitely gonna turn some heads with this unit because look at those curls, look at the bounds, look at how thick this unit is because this is 250% density. And I got mine in 24 inches because I like those curls long and glam and full, right? So if you know me, you know that I love glueless units. So the things that are really important to me are the hairline, the lace. Does it melt on my skin? Because I'm not going to use glue. So it needs to match my skin tone, which it does. The lace is very transparent, which is perfect for all skin types. Okay, and the hairline needs to be pre-plucked. And this unit checks off all the boxes, okay? So I love closure units because that means I only need to kind of worry about the front part, and honestly I'm not even worrying because it looks super natural already to me, as you can see, okay? So I'm gonna apply this unit in real time, kind of. I didn't cut much in these clips, so you kind of know how long it really takes to install a glueless unit, okay? Especially this one, it's super easy to install. Don't mind me right now, I'm looking a bit crazy, but that's normal, okay? If you install a wig, that's how you look in the beginning, okay? But bear with me, trust the process, it's gonna look bomb in a second.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all.
So this was like a 2-minute install, literally super quick, super easy, super beginner friendly. And I love these kind of units, okay, where I can just put on the wig and just go out the door. I can go out the door like this, and I will, okay? But first things first, I'm gonna brush out these curls a bit because now they look a little bit too perfect to my liking. So I'm just gonna make them a little bit more messy, a little bit more natural looking, and give them a little bit more body, you know?
a couple blocks in the road. But I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all.
So this is how the hair looks now, and it looks a little bit more natural. The curls are looking a little bit more soft, which I prefer. Okay, so yeah, this is the end result really, and it's just perfect for the holiday season, like I said, to go to a party and you're gonna turn some heads with this unit because it's so unique. Whoever dyed this unit did a very good job because this is a 4K camera and I cannot Photoshop any of this footage. So what you see is literally what you get. The lace, it melts incredibly well and it literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Even though my own hair is jet black, you don't see a thing of the jet black hair, right? It covers everything perfectly and I love that. And like I said earlier, this is a ready to go unit. So you can take it out of the box, put it on your head and not use glue or anything and just go out the door. That's what I love about these pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled units, especially a unit like this one that is also dyed as well in a super beautiful blonde highlight, honey ombre-ish color. I don't know what type of color this is, but it's very, very beautiful. So definitely check out the link in my description box. It will direct you to the exact unit that I'm wearing in this video. And you can also check out their other units, especially now it's Black Friday, sis. So save your coins if you can, especially for a unit like this, because you know, this type unit is a every once in a while unit. So you need this one in your collection. Okay, so what do you think of this look? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.